Hey, I'm Michael. I'm one of the co-founders of Lalo. One of my favorite things about the play gym is it converts to a tent. Let's see how it's done. To get started, take off all 4 feet caps from your fully assembled play gym. Now take those feet caps and put them on all 4 tent legs. Now put those tent legs into the base of the play gym. Take a short bolt and secure each one of the tent legs. Make sure you tighten each one evenly. Now turn your tent right side up so all 4 feet are on the ground. Take a support bar and 2 long screws. Place them between the legs and tighten those long bolts to connect the support bar to the legs. Repeat that on the other side. Now your tent frame is complete. Take the all-natural canvas cover and drape it over the frame. Secure the fabric to the base using the elastic loops. You can keep the tent closed, or there are ropes located on either side to tie open the flap. Now your little one is ready for playdates with friends real or imaginary.